couple months ago, I picked up an antenna that I have absolutely fallen in love with. It's the POTAbeam. It's a hex beam for 10 or 11 meters. As I was out with it the first time, I took my analyzer, my rig expert, and looked at it and noticed that it's resonant on the 11 meter band. It kind of falls in the lower end, the better spot, the sweet spot, falls on the lower end of 10 and the upper end of 11. So I thought to myself, man, I'd really like to use this on 11 meters. I also want to use it some more on 10 because I love it. So I had an idea. I got a couple radios here, and I'm going to get out with both of them. One of them is for 11 meters is my President McKinley USA. I've had this for a while. This is a great 100% compliant, FCC compliant 12-watt PEP 11-meter rig. I'm going to hook that up. And I brought along with it one of my other presidents. This is the President Lincoln II. This is a 35-watt 10 and 12 meter rig. I will not be using it on 12, obviously, just 10 meters. So the President Lincoln II, I love this radio as well. I used it a couple times up in Rhode Island. I was out on Point Judith with it and made some great contacts as well. So 2 presidents, 2 bands, 1 antenna, the POTAbeam. Let's get it up and have a little fun today. Stick around. And here's the setup. There is my POTAbeam hex beam. Wow, what a sexy antenna that thing is. It really is. I've got it up on a DX Engineering 25-foot fiberglass mast. That thing is down inside. I use a piece of 76 millimeter or 3-inch PVC pipe, as you see there. Slide it over top of a flagpole, drive over flagpole holder that I have there under the wheel, so it kind of keeps it up. I also have guy wires, so I'll show you. I have guy wires down here around it, kind of holding it in the ground there, as you can see. This is the ocean view, Norfolk, Virginia, actually right at Virginia Beach. That's the Atlantic looking that way. That's the Chesapeake Bay. And there it is, the POTAbeam. Now, people ask me, they're like, that's a cobweb. It is not a cobweb. That right there is a piece of cord, it's not wire, and it's holding it all together. What you have here is a driven element here, and a reflector around the back. There's spacers in it. It's one piece of line, but there's a spacer in it that's not conductive. If you can see it right in there, it's kind of tough. There you go. Those are 2 of those spacers on each side. The other one is over here, right there. So there it is. That is a true hex beam, and as you can see, it's fed right in the corner, right in the middle there, going out. So that's a true hex beam, the POTAbeam, and really great antenna. Can't wait to get out here by the water, by salt water, and probably I don't know, 75, 80 meters from the water, but still looking right out, first skip, first hop, right out over the Chesapeake Bay, out to the Atlantic. I have it aimed that way. That way is 50 degrees, which for me is towards the UK and Europe. So here in my spot, I'm gonna get in the Jeep where it's warm. We'll have a little bit of fun. It took me about 25 minutes to get it up. A little cold, my hands were cold, but I still got it going. And I think I have, I don't know, about 20 feet or so of coax going to it. Let's get inside where it's warm and try to make some contacts. Here we go. Let's check SWR on it. As you can see, awesomeness, just awesome. It's resonant under 2, basically across everywhere on 11 and the 10 meter band. So the way this thing is just amazing. So let's go have some fun. We're gonna start out on 11 meters with the President McKinley. Sweet little radio. I love this thing. It's a nice little SSB, legal 12-watt PEP. I'm hearing DX already, so let's get going here. We'll get going on the President McKinley and try to make some 11-meter contacts.
This is French Division calling DX. Unit 4, Romeo Golf, 94 Paris. This is Romeo Golf, 94 Paris, calling and listening.
Romeo Golf 94 Paris, do you copy? Sierra Whiskey 040 stateside.
In my place, 10 minutes, southeast from Paris, France. This is 14, Romeo Golf, 94, listening to you, copy?
Copy there, copy in Paris, France. I'm in Virginia, USA by the Atlantic Ocean. 12 watts, portable with a beam headed your way there. Thanks for coming back to me. Good to get Paris in the log there, my friend.
Sierra Whiskey 040 from Virginia. Thank you very much for acknowledging to my call, buddy. I really appreciate it. Take care, stay safe. Both wishes for 2026. And I wish you Happy New Year from my family to yours, my friend. All the best. Enjoy the traffic until we do it again. Sierra Whiskey 040, Virginia, United States. This is 14 Romeo Golf, 94 Carlo, Paris, France. Be standing by.
CQ, 2 divisions, Sierra Whiskey 040, 2 SW 040, stateside, calling CQDX. Yes, there, England. Was that Dave in England? We got a copy on you here, stateside, Virginia, USA 040. Wow, that's amazing. You're 5'9" as well. I'm located near the Atlantic Ocean here in Virginia, USA. Thanks for the great report there, my friend. Roger that. I'm on the east coast of the United States looking out. I'm sitting in a Jeep mobile looking out at the Chesapeake Bay and the Atlantic Ocean. Looking your way there.
No problem, mate. Yeah, you're doing an absolutely fantastic job, mate. Great signal and great audio, mate. I wish you 73, all the best, my friend, and God bless, and have a Happy New Year from the UK. 040 02 Dave, England,
73, Dave, have a great day. All the best. But that's 64, do you copy 040? This is 040, Salty Walt in Virginia on the Atlantic coast. Coming back to you.
40, frequency 390, plate 390.
Yes, this is 040, Salty Walt in Virginia, USA, stateside. The name is Walt, Whiskey Alpha, Lima Tango.
4030 Newcastle.
The name here is Walt. 040, Virginia, USA.
Good afternoon, 040. Good afternoon, 040. 30 with my friend.
I'm sorry, 040. I'm sorry. Okay, your name is Stuart?
My name is Walt, as in Walter, Whiskey Alpha, Lima Tango. That is correct, Walter. What is your location? What is your QTH?
Okay, I'm in Belgium, 64 Belgium, and my name is Isabel from Belgium,
QSL, Isabel from Belgium. This is Walt on the Atlantic coast of Virginia, USA. You have a wonderful signal over top of everyone here, many operators, but you sound great, making a great trip here to Virginia, USA. Back to you.
Thank you. You had a 57 in Belgium, but it's very complicated. Okay, the frequency is really busy. I wish you good day, Happy New Year, Mark. And bye for now. 64
Thank you. Have a great, wonderful afternoon, evening there in Belgium, and good morning from USA. 73, this is 040 on this side.
Thank you, 040. Thank you, Walt.
Well, there's a good example of a chaotic pileup as I was trying to talk there to the operator in Belgium, but a lot of fun. I'm obviously like, this POTAbeam is doing exactly what I thought it would do. Down by the ocean, down by the salt water, 12 watts. I mean, the operator, I was told I was, S920 over. Wow. The antenna's doing the trick along with the water. I mean, let's be honest with you. I'm in a location. Just amazing. And this thing did exactly as I knew it would on 11 meters. Just awesome. And 11 meters is just it's busy right now. It really is. With that said, I'm going to crank the power up to 35 watts with the Lincoln. I'm going to hook up the Lincoln now and get on 10 meters. Let's go play on 10 meters. A little bit more structure and organization there. Trying to make some DX contacts there. I may turn the beam a little bit too with 10 and aim in some other directions to see what we can do. But let's go. 10 meter time on the President Lincoln 2 Plus. And here we go with the President Lincoln 2 Plus. Love this radio. It's about the third or fourth time I've had it out portable. Just a great radio, 10 through 12. 10 and 12. It can be modified for 11 meters. This is a stock out of the box. Nothing done to it. Just a pure Lincoln 2 Plus President. Let's get on 10 meters now and make some 10 meter contacts. This will be 35 watts. This is a stronger radio. And as you can see, a lot more to this radio than the McKinley. But here we go. Let's go make some more contacts. Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar. Yes, Kilo 4, Ocean, Germany, Ocean. Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar.
QSL, you're 59 into Virginia, USA on the Atlantic coast.
Okay, Roger, long time. So a pleasure to meet you for the second time on 10 meter band. First contact on 2026. Happy New Year, my friend. 5757, QSL.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar.
You're 59 as well. Thank you. Okay, let's rotate it. Let's get off of Europe, turn it here. Taking my hand and just grabbing it and turning it. And let's go more northwest with it. I think as 10 meters is kind of opening in that direction. We'll skip it over there, maybe towards the Great Lakes, maybe Canada. I don't think 10's quite open all the way to Alaska yet, but northwesterly here. There we go. We got the beam turned. And let's see. Now away, maybe Europe's off the side of the beam a little bit, but now let's go the other direction. Let's go kind of across the northwest, see what happens. Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar.
Kilo 4, Oscar, November, Oscar, is that what it was?
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar. The name's Walt. I'm portable in Virginia. Just wondering where you guys were located, trying to see. Got a beam, I'm playing with it.
Okay, we're spread out. One guy's mobile in Montana here. I'm on a base in Montana, and the other guy is in Pennsylvania. But South Central Montana.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay, I was working DX. I'm right on the Atlantic. I was working DX and crossed it, and I turned the beam. I got a little hex beam, turned it back westward. I almost due west from Virginia, so that makes sense. You guys are the first U.S. stations I've heard this morning, so good to make contact with you. Thanks for coming back to me. I heard you getting ready to QSY, go somewhere else. Just wanted to see if I could break through to you guys. Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar.
Roger, yeah. No, I got a solid 5 on you.
Just a fun morning of playing radio. I love that antenna. It's awesome. I knew that it would work really good on 11, and it did. And 10 was great as well. The bands are noisy. 10's really noisy right now. I do have some power lines behind me. I noticed as I got out to turn the antenna, I was like, yeah, I'm kind of pointing away from the power lines, but they're there, and I could hear a lot of noise. So I don't know if this location's actually the best, but it really is good for what I wanted to do. Look out over the water and beam towards Europe and work some DX. It did it. Oh, what a great antenna. I'll put a link below. It's like I said, it didn't take me long to put up. There's other videos out there I'll put a link, how about that, to the POTAbeam video showing how to put the thing together, which is really easy to do. I think it's an affordable antenna as well. It's something that I will get out with more and more. I've made other videos and just, raved over it, and that's not BS. That's real. I love this antenna. A perfect thing to put in throw in the trunk of the car, the back of your truck, the back of the Jeep or whatever to get out portable. It's called the POTAbeam. I mean, you could get somewhere and just beam in a direction and make POTA contacts on 10 meters all day long. But the thing works great on 11, as you can see as well. So if you're an 11 meter person and you want to use something like this saw me do and I had no power, just 12 watts, just beaming and skipping across the Atlantic Ocean. This type of antenna is what you're looking for. It really is. And now the radios I haven't had my Lincoln out in a while, and the McKinley as well. So the President radios are awesome. I love them both. Like I said, the bands are a little noisy today, so somebody's going to say that the radio was noisy, whatever. It's conditions. I can spend more time with it and bring the noise level down, what have you. I'm not the best hearer in the world anyway, so when I operate things loud, I talk loud, and that's just how it is. And then and you always get, if you buy a President, you get a sticker with it. I've had stickers on I've got one of these on the back of the Jeep, got one on my bucket that I take out on the beach with me. But I'm a big fan of Lincoln, not just Lincoln, all the President radios as well. I had 4 of them. I gave my friend Mike into MAK. I gave him my President George FCC. I'm trying to get him hooked on the 11 meter band. So maybe me and him can make some contacts. He's up in the Buffalo, New York area, Rochester, New York, that area, upstate New York. But that's where my President George went to. I think he did a video on it. I gave it to him back at Dayton this past year. But great radios. The POTAbeam, man, I just tell you what. There's some other things coming from those guys. I am so excited. I'm going to be a beta tester on their next antenna. I can't wait to get it because I'm sold on how awesome this antenna is. It's just a lot of fun. But anyway, that's it. I got out and had some fun this morning. If you like to get out and operate portable and learn and see what antennas work, what doesn't, and things like that, please subscribe to the channel. That's what it's all about. Just having fun and making contacts. Mostly DX. I'm a DXer. I like working DX stations, whatever. I'm not a huge POTA guy. I will somewhere in here. I'll get out and activate another park, but that's really what it's all about with me. Just having fun with antennas and playing HF ham radio. Till next time, I'm Salty Walt, K4OGO, and on the 11 meter band 20 Whiskey 040. Stay salty, my friends.